Creating a full-fledged React app from scratch is a comprehensive task that involves multiple folders and files. However, I can give you a simplified example of a React app structure and explain each part step by step. In this example, I have installed Node.js and npm Node Package Manager installed on my machine. Let's create a basic React app with a single component. Step 1. Initialize a React app. First, open your terminal and run the following command to create a new React app using create React app. This will create a new folder named My React App with the basic structure for your React application. Step 2. Folder and file structure. Now, let's go through the folder and file structure created by Create React App. Now, let's dive into each file and folder. 1. Node_module/. This folder contains all the third-party libraries and packages your app depends on. These dependencies are managed by npm. 2. Public/. This folder contains static assets and the main HTML file. Index.html. This is the main HTML file that serves as the entry point for your React app. It includes a div id equals root/div element where your React components will be rendered. 3. src/. This is where your application's source code resides. App.js. This is the main React component. It's where you define the structure and behavior of your app. You can create additional components in this folder and import them into app.js. Index.js. This is the entry point for your React app. It renders the app component into the DOM. App.css. This file contains CSS styles specific to the app component. Index.css. This file contains global CSS styles that apply to the entire app. For to package.json, this file contains metadata about your project and its dependencies. It also includes scripts for running, testing, and building your app. 5. readme.md. This is the documentation file for your project. You can provide information about your app, how to set it up, and any other relevant details. 6. .gitignore. This file specifies which files and directories should be ignored by Git when you version control your project. Step 3. Edit the app component. You can start by editing the app.js file to define your main application component. Here's a simple example. This component renders a simple Hello, React message. Step 4. Running the app. To run your React app, navigate to the project directory in the terminal and run. This will start a development server, and your app will be accessible at http://localhost 3000 by default. Any changes you make to the code will automatically trigger hot reloading, so you can see the updates in real time. That's a basic overview of creating a React app and its file structure. You can further expand your app by creating more components, adding functionality, and customizing the styles. Thank you. See you next session.